Welcome to Blackout. In this video, you'll learn how to load spreadsheets into Blackout, how to place and remove redactions, and how visibility toggles help you review underlying data. To get started, you will need to upload your documents. To upload a document, choose a workspace and click Upload File. Then either drag and drop the files you want to upload or click Select Files. After your files have been selected, click Upload Documents. Once the files have been uploaded, you're ready to redact. To begin redacting, choose a redaction type. Click the drop-down next to the Redact button. You can choose from black, white, or text. If you select text, you'll see additional formatting options and can enter your custom redaction text. To redact cells, rows, or columns, simply select them in the spreadsheet. You can hold Control to select multiple items. Then click the Redact button in the top left of the viewer to complete the redaction. To redact charts or objects, right-click the item and select Redact Object. You can also left-click to select the object, then click the Redact button. To redact comments, click the Comments button in the top right. Double-click the comment you want to redact or right-click and choose Redact. Delete the original text of the comment that you want to redact, enter the redaction text, and click the green checkmark to confirm. Redacted comments are flagged with a black bar along the left side. To redact header or footer content, click the Headers and Footers button. Double-click or right-click the header or footer to redact. Delete the content, enter your redaction text, and confirm. Just like comments, redacted headers and footers are flagged with a black bar. To redact a sheet name, double-click or right-click and choose Redact. Delete the original name, enter the redacted text, and press Enter to confirm. Remember, sheet names must be unique, and you have to press Enter to confirm the redaction. To redact an entire sheet, begin by choosing any redaction type. Then click the Select All button in the top left corner of the sheet. Once all cells are selected, click Redact. Please note this only redacts the cells of the current sheet. Comments, charts, objects, headers, and footers must be redacted separately. When it comes to removing redactions, different types of redactions may be removed in different ways. To remove a redaction from a cell, row, column, sheet, chart, or object, right-click the redacted area and choose Remove Redaction. For sheet names, right-click the redacted name and select Restore Original Sheet Name. To restore a comment, open the Comments panel, right-click the comment and select Restore Original Comment. To restore a header or footer redaction, open the Header and Footer panel, right-click the header or footer you'd like to restore, and select the Restore button. Visibility toggles help you review what's underneath redactions, charts, and objects. There are two toggles, one for redactions and one for objects and charts, with 3 visibility modes: solid, transparent, and hidden. You now know how to upload documents and place, review, and remove redactions in Blackout. Visibility tools, redaction types, and flexible editing options help ensure complete and accurate redaction every time. If you have any other questions or need any help, please visit support.blackout.now.